Hi there. In this video, I'll be showing how to use Android icon packs on iPhones running iOS 14 or later. There are plenty of free icon packs available for Android, and with this neat trick, we'll be using them on our iPhones. First of all, we'll have to find an icon pack. Open your web browser and search something like icon pack APK. In case you're new to Android, APKs are Android app packages that one can sideload on one's Android devices. You can go to Images section and find an icon pack of your choice. For better results, try choosing one that has a square background rather than a transparent one, because the latter will make a black icon background that just doesn't look good. You can look for adaptive icons as they have a full solid background. I'm gonna be using this one called 𝘗𝘶𝙁𝙗𝙗. You'll be seeing this one labeled as patched, which means it's a paid app but has been patched and made free. Now I'll download the APK file for this icon pack. Before you confirm the file for the download, make sure to check the file name that you're gonna be downloading, because sometimes these kind of websites make you download unnecessary and even harmful softwares. But don't panic, just stay alert. Once the APK file is downloaded, open the file manager on your iPhone and head to the downloads folder. Find your APK file that you have just downloaded and rename its extension from APK to zip. This will convert this application package into a zip package that iOS will be able to open, not install, just open. Confirm the change, and now we'll need to uncompress this zip file and extract our icons. When you open the freshly uncompressed folder, you'll find many subfolders within it. The icons might be somewhere in res folder, and in that most probably in drawable NodeAPI v4. This is where I found mine. Here we go. Now just select the icons that you need and save them to gallery. Now with the help of Shortcuts app, create new icons. Just tap the plus symbol on top right corner in the Shortcuts app, add an open app action, select an app that you're adding an icon for, then tap the share button and select add to home screen. Here select the icon for the app that you saved from the APK and give the app a title. And this is how you add an app with a custom icon. Repeat the process for all the icons you want to change, and you'll get something like this as a result. Along with the matching wallpaper and some widgets, all your efforts will appear to be paying off. I hope this video will be of some help to you, and I've just started making videos for iOS, so expect for more cool stuff and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your day.